Now from Sameet Chauhan as well as Manish Sharma. Morning to both of you. Sameet, first up to you, and if you can tell us your top trading ideas and your reason behind selecting those stocks.
Good morning, Kamya. I have a first buy call on Jet Airways for a target of 6,555 and stop loss would be 615. This stock has been moving within a small range of 35-40 points since last 4 weeks. But today we are seeing a good traction in counter along with the volume activity. Thus, looking at this price action, we expect an immediate breakout beyond 642 in next probably couple of days. Thus, with an anticipation of this move, we are recommending it to be bought for a target of 655 and stop loss would be 615. The other buy call would be on Cipla for a target of 555 and stop loss would be 523. We have been maintaining our positive bias in the stock since last couple of weeks. However, this stock has failed to give a breakout beyond its resistance zone of 545. But looking at today's price action, we expect this breakout to happen soon. We have an immediate target of 555 and stop loss would be 523. And our final call would be on Tech Mahindra, which is a sell call for a target of 446. Stop loss would be 476. Looking at yesterday's closing, we anticipated this breakdown to happen below its rising trend line level of 468. Today that breakdown has happened with a downward gap. Thus, looking at the current price action and the negative placement of momentum oscillator, we expect an immediate correction that could be towards 446 and stop loss can be fixed at 476.
Okay, that's a view coming in. Some top recommendations from Sameet: buy Jet Airways and Cipla. Tech Mahindra is a sell recommendation. We also have Manish Sharma with us on the show. Manish, it's a solitary buy on your list and two sell recommendations. Walk us through what appeals to you.
Yeah, good morning. My first call is buy call in Hexaware. Overall, we have a good amount of cash-based buying, delivery-based buying in NSE cash market. Just before the result, traders are aggressively going long in this counter. Trading in a short-term uptrend, indicators indicating a positive bias on the chart. Buy and dip strategy should be used, so one can definitely go long. Place the stop loss at 227 and look for the target of around 245. My second call is sell call in Jindal Steel. We have witnessed a huge amount of long unwinding happening in this counter. Traders taking profit off the table from their long positions just before the results. So from a short-term trading perspective, one can definitely go short in this. Place a stop loss at 73 and look for the short-term target of around 65 as well as 63 as well. My third call is sell call in M&M Finance. The stock is trading in a range bound from last two trading sessions. But in today's trading session, we have seen some good amount of long running happening in this counter. Trading around multiple resistance zones. I feel it may test the levels of 295, 300 in the coming trading sessions. So one can definitely go short. There's a stop loss at 320 and look for the short-term target of around 300.
That's the word coming in and some stock-specific ideas there from Manish. But away from equities, let's shift focus on commodities and find out what's brewing there and get you some strategies there. Vandana Bharti, AVP Commodity Research at SMC Global Securities, now joins us on the show. Great to have you with us, Vandana, and tell us how would you approach gold at this point of time and your strategy there.
Yeah, hi, good morning. We have seen more than 21% of return in 2016, and it is more than equity market and any other fixed income class. So yes, now this is the turn for healthy profit booking in this counter, whether it is gold or silver. And the major reason was that there was a sharp downfall in dollar index, and yesterday it reached the level of 92. But at the same time, we have seen that there was a sharp recovery in dollar index, and it is continuing in today's trading session as well. So we are expecting that it is really difficult to stay above the mark of $1,300 in international market and $30,000 in domestic market. So before staying that level, it should take a correction, and another round of fresh buying we may see in the latter part of this month. So right now it should be in correction phase, and we are expecting that MCX gold contract, June contract, should go for correction, and one should go for sell here at the level of 30,100 for the target of 29,950 with a stop loss of 30,175.
Okay, that's a strategy which is coming in. And on gold, let's talk about silver as well.
Yeah, silver definitely it outperformed gold in 2016, and it was a much awaited move in silver. And the gold silver ratio, which was around 1:1, 83, now it is 70, near 73. Continuously, we have seen that silver has outperformed gold, and some upside in base metals has supported the upside in silver as well. But yes, it should take some correction before another round of buying. So for intraday prospect, I'm a seller for this commodity, and in July contract one can go for sell at the level of 40,700 here for the target of 40,000 with a stop loss of here 41,000.
Okay, that's the strategy coming in on gold as well as silver. Thanks very much, Vandana, for taking us through that. And we'd also like to thank each of our technical experts for taking the time out and sharing their perspective with us on Traders 20. Let's slip into a short break at this point of time, but on the other side, we get you BNSM, the stock game. Stay tuned for that.